Have you ever wondered what Ohm's law is? Well, let's dive right in. Ohm's law is a fundamental concept that forms the bedrock of physics and electrical engineering. It's named after an influential figure in the world of science, the German physicist Georg Simon Ohm. Ohm's law isn't just a name or a scientific jargon, it's the master key that unlocks the mystery of how electrical circuits function. So what exactly is this Ohm's law? It's more than just a name, it's a key to understanding how electrical circuits work. In its simplest form, Ohm's law states that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points. Now let's break this down into simpler terms. Imagine a water pipe. The voltage, or V, is like the water pressure. It's the force that drives the flow. The current, or I, is the water flowing through the pipe. It's the movement caused by the voltage, and the resistance, or R, is anything that slows down the flow, like a narrow section of pipe. This relationship can be expressed with the formula V equals I times R. In other words, voltage equals current times resistance. If we know any two of these values, we can use Ohm's law to find the third. Ohm's law is fundamental in understanding how electrical circuits work. It's the rule that explains how electricity moves and behaves. So remember, Ohm's law is all about how voltage, current, and resistance are related in an electrical circuit. Now that we understand Ohm's law, let's summarize the key points. At its core, Ohm's law depicts the intricate relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. It's a simple equation. V equals Y times R, where V represents voltage, I stands for current, and R indicates resistance. This formula is not just a mathematical expression, it's a powerful tool that unlocks our understanding of electrical circuits. And there you have it, the essence of Ohm's law, a fundamental principle that helps us understand the fascinating world of electricity.